I have this tiered bundt set. It's very nice. It comes with 3 sizes of bundt tins. This one. It says Nordic Ware Bundt. Okay. It's not as heavy. They're not as heavy as the usual cast iron ones. And there's the middle size one. So this is the large one, the middle sized one, and a mini one. It came like this. I got it as a gift. A very beautiful gift from my sister. And it's a stacked one. So you can make stacked cakes like this. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it today. Today I'm not using it to make a stacked cake, even though you can. You can actually make your cakes like this as well. And it's so pretty. And they always come with a recipe. I don't usually use the recipes because I've got my own, but they come with recipes which are very handy. Yeah, so I'm going to put it comes like this. The packaging will be put on the tray like this. I love how they package their stuff. Nice and simple. So today I am going to use this middle-sized one. I'm putting the rest away. For this middle-sized one, I'm going to prepare it like I do with all my bundt tins. I'm going to use melted butter. Make sure the butter goes in all the grooves so that your cake comes out very easily. And I've not had a problem with butter and flour since I started using Nordic Ware cake tins for probably over 15 years. Something like that, yes. Even the center needs butter, this part, it needs it. So for the next step is to add flour. I've got my flour shaker here. I have a video on how to make a homemade flour shaker. It will be very different to this one, but I made a video. You can check on my channel. And then I shake it all about. Feels a bit weird using these ones because they're so light. I don't know which material they make them from. I will probably look on the website because I'm used to the heavy cast iron ones, but this one isn't. It's very, very light. I didn't even know that they make light ones like this until my sister bought it for me from America. I guess in America they might have a huge selection of these because that's where they're made. Okay, so now I'm going to put this away. I've already made my mixture. I'm making a banana cake. I'm using the rest of the melted butter because I need some in the recipe. And then I'm going to stir it in. All the recipes I use are on my website. But at the moment my website is down. I'm working on a few things. So I will add it to the description box below. It smells amazing because of all the spices that are in it. Okay, this brown in here is brown sugar. So just make sure I mix everything in. Okay, now it's ready to transfer to the cake tin. I just looked at it and I thought, okay, this mixture should be enough for this middle-sized one. A lot of baking experience does that. You can just tell by eye what size tin you need for a certain recipe. This is one of the best things you can ever buy for baking, a spatula. I love these spatulas. You can get your mixtures clean out of a bowl and they're just easy to work with. Okay, I've got some on the center here, which is not ideal, but you can just scrape some off because it will start to burn before your cakes are completely cooked. But anyway, it should be fine. This smells absolutely amazing, so I'm going to put it in the oven. I don't know how long it will take to bake because I haven't used this before, but I'll get it out when it's ready. Okay, the banana cake is ready. Now I'm going to flip it onto the cooling rack to cool completely. So I've left it in here for about 10 minutes. It's still quite hot. If you're very sensitive to the heat, then just wear gloves, the oven gloves. So I'm going to put my cooling rack on top. If you have two cooling racks the same size, you can put one at the bottom and one at the top, and then flip it. And let's see. And then there it goes. That's how easy it is to get out of the tin. Thanks for watching. I'm going to leave it to cool completely before I cut it. Okay, somebody got to my cake before I did and they cut a slice. I was going to do a video on how to decorate it, but anyway, I can still do it. There are different ways to decorate it. You can use water icing or just a sprinkling of sugar. I'm going to add a sprinkling of sugar, but I'm going to put it in here first in a cup or a bowl. Add some mixed spice. This particular mixed spice I have has ground cinnamon, ground coriander, caraway seeds, ground nutmeg, and ground ginger and cloves. It just depends which one you have. So anyway, so I've put them in here. Mix it a little bit. And I use a tea strainer or a mini sieve. And then I use a tea strainer or a mini sieve. Scoop some into there. Sprinkle it all over the cake. This is how I usually like to decorate my bundt cakes. But if you make water icing, and I have video on how to make water icing, which is just a blend of water and icing, or you can even use lemon juice sometimes. I'm going to cut a slice and show you, a proper slice and show you. Look at that. It looks amazing and it tastes great. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.